What is good, world? It is your boy, The Session. I'm here today to show you how to fend for yourself and make your own mushrooms. Yeah, that's right. Today we have some oyster mushrooms and we have some lion's mane mushrooms. I'm going to show you how I'm planting them and how easy and simple it is. No excuse. I know you can do this. Follow the fuck along. Here we go. If you want to know where I got these mushrooms, this is from Mueller's Mushrooms. I'll pop his Instagram right there up on the screen. You'll be able to get you some shrooms as well. This one goes that one. This one. Oh, these are blue oysters, yeah. Blue oyster mushroom, you see blue. I'll explain that in a moment. Oh, you recording now?
I'm recording, yeah.
Okay. So you see this is a log. They refer to this as a log. This is blue oyster mushrooms. So you see it says blue right there. There are different types of oyster mushrooms. There are king oyster, a bunch of different ones. These are blue oyster mushrooms. These are lion's mane mushrooms. Okay, these are very good for the brain. They're amazing chicken alternative. We're going to make plenty of recipes. The cookbook will be coming out soon. But for now, I'm going to move on to the next step. Now, all the instructions are provided on here. It simply says if you want to make bigger mushrooms, you make only one slit, 1 to 2 inches. If you want a bunch of clusters all over this motherfucker, you make a bunch of 1-inch slits. Me, I only want the bigger mushrooms so I can make sandwiches, and look at how beautiful they've turned. So what I'm going to do is show you me making 2-inch slits on those shrooms. Okay, let's get it. To grow the mushrooms, place this over top of your shrooms and let them grow. You want to place this in a humid area. He said humidity, but you don't want it to be too hot. So he says laundry rooms, if you have a backyard or garden. I live in California, so it's quite humid. He grows his outside on the table as well. So this is how I'm going to do mine. And we're going to check in, every week or so. And I'm going to show y'all how this shit's going to go. But I will be showing you some B-roll now of what they both look like just resting. Okay, people, so we are, day, maybe 10. I use these to hold the lid down. I just want y'all to see real quick. We have some growth, baby. You see this? This is the beginning stages of some growth. I'm just gonna leave them here. So as you see, here are our beautiful oyster mushrooms. There are different types of oyster mushrooms. These are from my dog Eric. I'll pop his Instagram up on the screen right here. These are amazing. Have a very good smell, earthy smell, nothing too nothing wild. This is the simplest thing I've ever done. You feel what I'm saying? So I know y'all can do this shit too. All I did, got the bin, literally put it under there. I think you might have to spray it one time if you want, but I didn't even spray any water in there. Just left after I washed the bin, I left a little bit of water in there. That's it. Put the shit in there, 14 days. If you have a warm climate, I live in California, but I want y'all not to trip because every day over the last couple weeks was not warm. It was not hot. Some days it was in the 50s, 60s. Some days it was in the 70s. So he said they will grow no matter what. You just got to be patient, okay? The colder the temperature, the longer the shit will take you. But here we have it. Oyster mushrooms grown at the crib in under 20 days.
Can you just cheese with the mushroom so for the thumbnail? Like hold it. And hold this up a little higher so I can... Okay, cool.